Hello and welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. My name is Melody and today we're going to be making chicken and dumplings. This is a great fall recipe full of comforting flavors, except carrots. What you see in the picture is sweet potatoes. If you follow me, you know cooked carrots are not my thing. Now let's get started. Take your clean chicken, oil it, add salt and pepper, and massage that in. Now you're going to add the chicken, skin side down, to your heated stew pot. We do this because we want that caramelized flavor to be in our chicken and dumplings. Now once it has browned on both sides, the chicken will not be done. Just set it aside into another plate. Then add your vegetables. That's your onions and your celery, and like I said, your sweet potatoes. Now you can add the carrots if you like, but since I'm going to eat this, I'm adding sweet potatoes. Add your garlic and stir that around. Cover and stir frequently, just until the vegetables have softened a bit. Now you're going to add your flour and stir that around too. Now this is how we get that thickness in our chicken and dumplings. Add your water. If you want to do chicken broth, you can do chicken broth, but I'm doing water and I'm going to use a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Just a reminder that the recipe is on bakeandcookwithpassion.com. There you can get the full written recipe and some tips. Now add the bunch of fresh herbs and the chicken back to the stew pot. Now continue cooking on medium-high, stirring occasionally. When the chicken is done, reaches 165, and the vegetables are tender, remove the chicken and the herbs from the stew and add the lemon juice. If you'd like to add salt, now's the time to do it. Discard the herbs and the skin from the chicken. Shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces and add it back to the stew. Give it a good stir and let it continue cooking while we make the dumplings. Take your flour into a bowl and add your buttermilk and add the melted butter and stir around until it is mixed well. You don't have to, but I had a few extra herbs, so I added to the mix of the dumplings. Now you can use 2 spoons and gently add the dumpling mix to the top of the stew. You can also use an ice cream scooper. Once you've added the dumplings, cover and let it simmer medium heat for about 15 to 18 minutes. Now look at those fluffy dumplings. Add a little pepper or parsley to the top and we're all ready to plate. Start with your dumplings and then surround with all that delicious gravy, chicken, and sweet potatoes. Thank you so much for watching Bake and Cook with Passion. Remember to subscribe for more delicious videos like this one.